If you are not crafty but want the easiest tutorial ever, stick around. Hey guys, you love my DIY chunky knit blanket tutorial, so today I want to show you how to make chunky knit poofs and pillows the cheapest and fastest way possible. I love merino wool, but it is so expensive. Craft stores, and they always have rotating sales, sell a faux merino wool, and about one of these is going to make one poof or one pillow. If you use a coupon, you can get these for right around $5. Now there are tons of tutorials on these, and a lot of them for me ended up not working out. So here's the fastest and easiest way to get your poof or pillow. You need about 15 inches of yarn, and then you want to make your initial loop. Loop around and then pull a piece through. And you're going to take your working yarn and you're going to pull through the first loop. So there's 1, 2, 3, and you're just going to keep doing that. 4. For the smaller pillow, I did 10 loops, and for the bigger one, I did 20. 10. Okay. Once you reach the end of the chain, make a circle, and you want to have one remaining loop on the side. Go to the next part of the chain, and the little spot sticking up, make a loop through. And then you want to do that all the way around until you have 10 loops or 20 loops if you're making the bigger pillow. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this, you know, is the beginning because that little loop is underneath, so you can keep track of your stitches pretty easily. Seems like it should be harder than that, but it is so stinking easy. You're just gonna complete that row after row.
The air is getting cold. My mind is
Fold it over onto itself and then continue making the loops. The biggest key is you want the loops to be all about the same size. And no worries if you miss one or you mess up, it's really easy to unravel and to start again. One thing about working with this wool is it can tend to get a little bit tangly, but because of that, it's also really forgiving, and it seriously is like the softest material to work with. Finishing off the poof is super easy. Go back to the start of the pillow where you had that little bit of extra yarn. You're going to weave inward around each of the loops.
despite the stress that we've been under. I feel today can turn out wrong.
Give it a tug to cinch the pillow, tie off, and stick in the remaining section through the center.
Complete devotion when I'm gone.
I'm going to use batting of an old pillow. This is a super dated one. You can buy filler, but most people have a worn out pillow at home, and just fill it up. This time, weave inward toward the pillow through each of the loops. Give it a cinch, tie it off, and stick the remaining section through the center of the pillow. This is ridiculously easy.
To me, it's perfectly clear we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love.
For the pillow I did that's super big that's sitting back there, I did 20 loops outward and 2 skeins of yarn. Those are the rolls upward.
This thing that we got grows stronger each day. We're together on the way. Oh, we're falling in love. To me, it's perfectly clear.
It's really easy when you're making the pillow to tie in a new skein as you start it, and then just tuck the little knot within the pillow. At the very end, I had a pillow insert I got for just a couple of dollars, and then I had to tie off the outer sides. This is really easy to do. Take 2 loops from each end and then wrap around all the way down to the end, tie off, and stick inside the pillow.
Walking around Christmas time's got the best of me. Then it starts to snow in our hearts. We both know that we're falling in love. To me, it's perfectly clear we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us.
So easy, whether you have a nice loose weave or a little bit of a tighter one, and make amazing gift ideas on a budget. If you enjoyed this video, leave it a big thumbs up. I also have a whole tutorial on how to make a chunky knit blanket, which I'll be sure to leave down below. And I want you to leave me a comment of your favorite Hallmark or Christmas movie down below, because I feel like I need to cozy up with my pillows and watch some. You guys subscribe, join the Dime Tribe so I can catch you guys in the next one, and I'll see you there. Bye!
That's right.
I'm in the yarn section. Some viral YouTube video made it so all of this has disappeared. What am I doing?
Like a big fat tub.